Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to our animal classification unit. We are ready to start lesson 12. And lesson 12 is called Live-Bearing Milk Producers. So let's take a look at our essential questions. One, we're thinking about why is it important to classify animals? And we've already talked about that quite a bit. And then also, what can we learn by observing animals? You guys have already done some observation of animals. Let me turn my lights back on here. At the very beginning of the unit, when you were watching the zoo animals and you did some bird observations in lesson 11. So let's take out your vocabulary journal. And this is on pages 15 and 16 in your vocabulary journal. And the first word is diaphragm. Everyone say that with me. Diaphragm. Write it on the line. That's a big word, isn't it? And at the end, there's a silent G in there. And this is a layer of muscle in mammals and creates a space for the lungs to expand when they breathe in oxygen. So that's our diaphragm. You can see a little picture here under the space underneath your lungs. The next word is mammary glands. Go ahead and write mammary glands on the line, and it's a noun, and it's milk-producing organs. So when we think about a cow, the mammary glands are what produce the milk in a cow. Next, we have marine. And this is an adjective, marine, write it on the line, and it's related to the sea, okay? Now, some of you might think of a marine as in the armed services, and that is another type of marine, and that's a noun. This is marine used as an adjective, describing anything having to do with the sea. Closely related to the vocabulary word aquatic, which means water. The last word is stately. Repeat after me, stately. Write it on the line. This is also an adjective, a word describing a noun, and it means grand or impressive in size or manner. And you can see a picture of that caribou there. Looks very stately, doesn't it? Very grand. So those are your vocabulary words for this lesson, boys and girls. Say them often and try to use them at home with your parents, your brothers and sisters. You try to use them as much as you can.